Today, you are not just learning phrases, you are stepping into a real situation. Let's go to Café in Turkey. You walk in, merhaba, merhaba, hello. The waiter smiles and he says, hoş geldiniz, hoş geldiniz, welcome. This is very common in Turkey. You'll hear it everywhere. Now you look around and ask, boş masa var mı? Boş masa var mı? Is there an empty table? You want a table. So the waiter replies, evet, buyurun. Evet, buyurun. Yes, please come. Buyurun is super useful. It means come, go ahead, here you go. Now, waiter. Ne alırsınız? Ne alırsınız? What would you like? And then you say, bir kahve alabilir miyim? Bir kahve alabilir miyim? Can I get a coffee? This is a polite form, very important in Turkish. Alabilir miyim? It's like I'll take. Alabilir, can take. Miyim, can I. When you use miyim, the sentence becomes a question sentence. Okay? Alabilir miyim? Can I take? Now you say, şeker var mı? Şeker var mı? Is there sugar? Or if you don't want şeker, I mean sugar, you can say şekersiz olsun. Şekersiz, without sugar. Şekersiz olsun. No sugar, please. Now the waiting moment. You wait, you look at your phone, you say quietly, biraz yorgunum. Biraz yorgunum. Biraz yorgunum. I'm a bit tired. Now waiter comes. Buyurun. 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 Here you go. And then you reply, teşekkür ederim. Teşekkür ederim. Thank you. Now you are just eating, you finished eating, you are done, you're just finished. And then you say to the waiter, hesap alabilir miyim? Hesap alabilir miyim? Can I get the bill? The waiter says, tabii, tabii. Hesap, it's bill. And alabilir miyim, it's like, can I take, can I get? Today you didn't memorize, you experienced Turkish, which reflects the real life situation. So you experienced these phrases. Merhaba, hoş geldiniz. Ne alırsınız? Alabilir miyim? Teşekkür ederim. Next time, we will go somewhere else, maybe the airport or a taxi. Stay with me. I'm gonna see you in the next video.